Alright, Aprilia. The high pressure internal hoses in these fail. These are like submersible, right? RSV 1000. The guys, like, my bike was riding killer, driving through traffic, boom, just stopped, couldn't start it. No fuel coming to the manifold. A little bit sputtering here and there when I shook the bike, so it was probably picking up a little gas, but no pressure at all. I didn't have a pressure gauge, I didn't do anything, I just checked to make sure gas, spark, you know, common stuff, check fuses. So that's what's up. I read a lot of articles about these things, and that's what the hose looks like. And that's what the, you know, that's pretty easy to take off. You know, it's like 8 bolts underneath, 7mm. That's the internal tank, and that's the stupid hose. You know, roadside fix, you can't do it. And it can't do gravity feed with these. It needs the pressure to run these fucking bikes. So we're gonna go grab some of this hose and, you know, cut off the use clips. I wouldn't suggest using regular ones. I mean, unless you don't have the tool to scrunch them. But AutoZone and, you know, Advanced, they have these. You're never gonna be able to maintenance them, you know. So you want to get them pretty killer. So it's like hydraulic, but it's just a crimping tool. But yeah, I just put in my bike, my truck, a new fuel pump, and it looks just like this thing, man. So, alright. I just wanted to get a quick video on that. I've been doing videos for a while, truthfully. I've been busy doing other stuff, but yep, there's some bikes in here still. This is next. We're going to do a CBR 600RR head, and that's coming on the 4th. So if I get this up by then yep, we'll do that. So 04 Aprilia 1000. It's RSV. Pretty good shape.